Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka. Hey bitches, I'm Erin and welcome back to my channel. It's been 2 months since I haven't uploaded a new YouTube video, but hey, I'm back. If you want to know how I did this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching. Okay, first step, of course, I got a little cute, and then I'm gonna use this Benefit Professional. Now for some moisture, I'm gonna use this Too Faced Hangover RX Primer and Setting Spray, and then let's color correct. I'm using the LA Girl Color Corrector in orange, of course, as you can tell, to remove all that discoloration. And then I conceal, and then I set it. By the way, I did my brows off camera. I do not have brows like this. Time for foundation. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus and the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. And I'm just gonna blend that with my Real Techniques Miracle Sponge. Next, let's conceal. Bitch, you know the drill. I use 3 concealers. First, I'm gonna go with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade Fair 5, and then the shade Light Neutral 15, and then the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. And then I like to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation stick in the shade 355 Coconut for cream contour. And just blend that out, as you can tell. And then let's bake. I'm gonna use the Coty Airy Spongeless Face Powder in the shade Translucent. And for this makeup look, use a lot of powder because we are about to use a lot of shadows. And then we are about to use the Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette. And I'm just gonna grab that blue matte shade and just make it blown. I'm pretty sure you know what I mean. And then I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. It's a shimmer, but we'll work with it and just put that below that first transition shade. And then I'm just gonna grab this red shade right here and put it, of course, on my other eye. I just feel like red and blue are such good color contrasts. And then I'm just gonna grab this shade right here. You know, bitch, you know the drill. Same thing, and put it below that first transition shade. And then I'm just gonna grab the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade Sand. Oh my gosh, I look so stupid at this part, but it's a little trick to have that guide as to where we're about to cut the crease. And then I'm just gonna grab that yellow shimmer shade and just fill it in. And then going back with the second transition shades for each eye, we are going to blend that harsh edge of that yellow shimmer shade. Then I use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Uranus to highlight my inner corners. And then I'm just gonna put on some lashes. And then, of course, to bronze, I'm gonna use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Bitch, why do I cut a lot of the films? Anyways, for contour, I'm gonna use the BYS Contour Palette. There's literally a lot of school requirements that I should do right now, but instead I'm doing the voiceover of this video. Going back to the Coty Airy Spongeless Face Powder, we're going to bake that contour for the for that sharp, dramatic contour. And then I'm so tired of speaking. I'm gonna use the Ofra blush in the shade Mai Tai. As you can see, I don't hold back to blushes. Going back with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in the shade Uranus, we're going to highlight the cheeks. It's so good. This highlighter is so good, but in this highlighter, bitch, the tea is a mother effing hot. Anyways, we're just gonna use the Too Faced Melted Latex Liquefied High Shine Lipstick, bitch, in the shade Hopeless Romantic. It's a really good nude gloss / lipstick. I just love this lip product. Then going back to the Too Faced Hangover RX Setting Spray, we are about to set this whole look. At sa habang panahon, ikaw ay makasama. Oh my gosh, bitch, slay. Anyways, if you enjoyed this makeup look right here, then please like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check out my Instagram. Okay, bye, bitch. Thank you so much for watching. Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. Okay, bitch, that's enough.